Hello student, I am VP sir. Today we are going to learn electric charge. So what is electric charge? Electric charge is a property of a matter, and because of this property this particle or the matter experience a force of other charge or exerts a force on the other charge. That is electric charge. Now this is property called intrinsic, and why it is called intrinsic? Because the property comes with by birth, and it goes when the particle is vanished. Yes, particle never vanish, it converts in forms into one form to another form. So property also changes, but it will not destroy. You cannot create or destroy the property, this property, and that's what it's called intrinsic property and conserved property. Now what is the matter here? So the matter as an example is electron, proton, alpha, positron, beta, ions. In ions, examples are HCl molecule. In HCl, H is positive, Cl is negative. So positive ion, negative ion. So these are also examples of particle matter. Now, this property doesn't come with a direction. It is simply just a value. So that's why it is a scalar quantity. And it is measurable, so it is measured in a Coulomb. So Coulomb is a scientist name. So when you are writing in SI unit or a word, it should be a word small letters, and if it's a symbol it should be capital C. So do not write small c. Now CGS unit is electrostatic unit, ESU. Dimension formula is 80. It is represented by small q or capital Q, and its basic value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. So how we got 80 dimensional formula? If you want to know, so you have already learned at high school level the current is Q by T. So Q is representation of a charge. So I into T. So what it is? Current dimensional formula is ampere and time dimensional formula is T. So this is how this charge, electric charge, got dimensional formula of 8. Now this basic value of a charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So whose value it is? Basic value of a charge. So how they found? They found the lowest or smallest charge in the atom or molecule or in matter or substance is the electron. So that, and it is experimentally measured and found to be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So that's why it is a basic or lowest value of a charge. Now the charge is named positive, negative, two types. So how? I will explain. Before that, see here. Electron is negative charge, proton is positive, positron is positive, alpha is a positive, beta is a positive, and also come with, sorry, also come with negative charge. Negative charge. Ha. Ions, positive and negative ions. So how the charges are named positive and negative? So the types of charges. So there are two types of charges, positive and negative, named by scientist Benjamin Franklin. So while studying the charge or the property of a matter, they found that some charges repel each other and some charges attract each other. So they are convinced that if they are same charges, they are repelling, and if they are opposite kind charges, they attract each other. Based on this, so when they have mentioned positive and negative, and these two names. So the property which separates this is called polarity. Now the same two charges, positive charges repel each other, negative charges repel each other. Sorry, this is a negative charge. And if there are different charges, means opposite or unlike charges attract each other, so there is attractive force. So positive negative is between these two charges there is attractive force. Now next part is point charges. So what is a point charges? The smallest charge whose linear distance is smaller than the distance between the charges. Example, electron, proton. So the distance between two proton or distance between electron and proton is smaller. If and the charge is smaller than that is called point charge. Examples, electron, proton, these are point charges. Okay. Thank you, students, listening to the end. If you like it, subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.